Kaya pa? Okay, ito pala yung fitness gym and they have a swimming pool. Okay, not bad.
Lucio, what you doing, Lucio? This is Wick. Lucio.
This is our last day here in China.
Lucio.
And more suppliers.
Lucio. How are you, Lucio?
Possible e-commerce business namin.
Lucio.
The next one, 2 p.m. will be the
How are you, Lucio?
hotel supplies for housekeeping.
Wick, Sleeping Beauty si Ewok. Oh, Wick.
Yes, it's in China. They're so
Sleeping.
professional.
Medyo ano na si Wick. Medyo matanda na.
10 minutes before.
Kaya ayan, ganyan na si Wick ko.
Magaya namin ang kanilang professionalism, especially pagkasikaso nila sa amin every time. All the suppliers talagang sobrang
Matanda na si
kasikaso.
Wick. Oh, Wick.
So, let's see. Nandito na sila. Let's go. Okay, we're on our way sa kanan sasakyan.